Hey guys, welcome to this new video on benefits of following a routine as per the pattern of the sun by Healthify Me. Now the circadian rhythm is a real biological process that every plant, animal and human being exhibits. There's more and more science today proving how each and every single cell inside our body has a clock of its own which needs to be in sync with nature's clock. And this is circadian rhythm. And how each clock is programmed to turn on and off thousands of genes in our body during different times of the day or night. When all clocks work in harmony with nature, we are in great health. When disrupted, we can have issues ranging from simple headache to clinical issues like diabetes, anxiety, depression, cardiovascular diseases, and a lot more. This includes low immunity too, and we all know that low immunity can open gates for almost every single health condition. The good part is that you can always get it back in sync in just a few weeks. Your sleep-wake circadian rhythm is an internal clock that runs constantly, cycling between alertness and sleepiness. You may have heard of it as the sleep-wake cycle because it helps regulate sleep patterns. Circadian rhythms are not solely for humans. Almost all living organisms have circadian rhythms: plants, animals, microbes, and more. In fact, there is an entire scientific field called chronobiology that is dedicated to studying circadian rhythms. Now, before we proceed further, make sure that you have subscribed to or followed Healthify Me. Here are 5 tips for maintaining a healthy circadian rhythm. My first top tip is maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Studies have shown a possible link between healthy circadian rhythms and coordination, cardiovascular activity, cognition, weight control, immune function, and digestion. To keep these bodily functions in check, it's important to develop the following daily habits to support your sleep-wake cycle. Many assume having a set bedtime will keep their circadian rhythm on track, but this isn't the case. It's also important to wake up at the same time every day. A consistent sleep-wake routine will train your master clock to help you avoid waking up throughout the night. Resist the urge to catch up on sleep after a restless night. It's common to want to take a long nap or sleep in on the weekends, but this can make your circadian rhythm worse. Melatonin usually begins triggering the body to rest around 9 p.m. and starts slowing down, which cues the body to wake up around 7:30 a.m. Try to orient your sleep schedule around these times with extra time for winding down before bed. If your routine is very different from these times, adjust it slowly in 15-minute increments every few days. Get outside in the morning. That's our second tip. Exposure to light in the morning triggers your brain to produce less melatonin. The first thing you should do after your alarm sounds is open the blinds. If you have time, get outside and go for a walk or sip your detox drink on the porch. Exposure to sunlight will help reset your internal clock for the day. Now you can learn more about workouts and track the calories you burn from the comfort of your phone. Download the Healthify Me app from the link in the description below to know more. You will also be able to track over 55,000 foods, receive real-time insights and automated analytics on your health. Now my third top tip is have lunch between 12:30 and 1:30 and skip the afternoon nap. Having your lunch when the sun is at its peak between 12:30 and 1:30 is the way to go. This is because our internal metabolic rate too is at its peak, so that the lunch will get digested and absorbed better. Staying active throughout the day can help balance your circadian rhythm by using up your energy stores before prime sleeping hours. If you're having trouble sleeping, taking a nap can decrease your ability to fall asleep at night. The longer you are awake, the more your body will want to sleep towards the end of the day. Whenever you start feeling a dip in your energy, Get up and move around. Many of us live sedentary lifestyles due to working behind a desk. Give your body some movement and support your circadian rhythm by moving every 30 minutes. You can also wake up your body. Now, my fourth tip is avoid large meals or alcohol and caffeine later in the day. What you eat can impact how you sleep. Food and alcohol cause heartburn, and caffeine and nicotine are stimulants that trigger your brain to keep your body active. Aim to give your body 12 to 14 hours to reset. All our organs too need to switch off and rest as the day comes to an end. So when the day draws to a close and the sun sets, your master clock triggers the release of melatonin, which sends signals to the liver, telling it to stop creating enzymes that turn calories into energy and instead begin storing energy. So the more food you put into your body before bed, the harder your liver works and more food is stored than burned. Now, my fifth go-to point is limit nightly screen use. We've discussed the effects of morning light on your circadian rhythm, and light in the evening works the same way. Household light from both lamps and blue light emitted from laptops, smartphones and tablets can trick your brain into thinking it's still daytime, causing it to suppress melatonin production. Melatonin is the key hormone responsible for inducing sleep, and its production happens only in pitch darkness. So please make sure that all lights are switched off, curtains are drawn, and no external street lights are coming through. Start dimming lights about 2 hours before bedtime and resist scrolling through social media in bed. If you work a night shift or need to use screens in the evenings, you can wear glasses that block blue light or install a blue light filter app on your device. Moreover, ensure you are doing your deep breathing exercises. 10 deep breaths, that means inhale 10 times, and 10 deep exhalations right from the tummy out before sleeping to get that deep sound sleep. We hope you liked our video. Do like this video if you learned something new today. You can share this video with your family, friends and your loved ones. And you can also add this video to your own personal playlist so that you can come back and watch it anytime. Chat with our coaches on WhatsApp today. Connect with Healthify Me's top nutritionists and trainers from the comfort of your phone. Click the link in the description below and start your consultation now. Let us know in the comment section if we missed out on anything or if you have any suggestions or questions about this particular topic. If you have not subscribed to or followed our Healthify Me channel yet, go ahead and click on the subscribe or follow button. If you are on YouTube, hit the bell icon to stay tuned for more videos from Healthify Me. Thank you for watching.